Gates open, they're up and racing. Blue Chic draws for your lead. Swab Tiger moving up. Twin runners, alam mo na yan. Core Duo, Wisari. And moving up to take fourth by rail is Speed to Riches, and Winning Habit is running at the tail of the field as they race at the last 900. Alam mo na yan. Running by the rail, Core Duo is sorry outside. Swab Tiger racing in third. Blue Chic moving up on the outside is Speed to Riches, Winning Habit pass approaching on the outside as they race at the last 600. Core Duo takes up the running over. Alam mo na yan. Swab Tiger, Blue Chic leveling up on the outside. Winning Habit and Speed to Riches as they swing for home. Core Duo, alam mo na yan. Blue Chic now moving up on the outside. Core Duo, alam mo na yan. Blue Chic now leveling up on the outside. Core Duo, Blue Chic, alam mo na yan is by the rail. Blue Chic takes the lead from the outside of our Core Duo. And finally, Blue Chic. Then comes Core Duo, alam mo na yan. Swab Tiger is Speed to Riches and Winning Habit.